The hunt for free virtual currency feels like a modern-day gold rush where everyone has a secret map, but nobody actually finds the treasure. You are scrolling through your feed and you see a clean, professional-looking site that promises the one thing every gamer wants. It is not some clunky, broken page from a decade ago. It looks slick. It looks modern. This specific platform, Playnoxa, has managed to catch a lot of eyes lately by positioning itself as a helpful friend in the gaming world. They offer guides for big titles and tips for getting ahead in popular online universes. It is the kind of place that makes you feel like you have stumbled onto a gold mine of insider knowledge. They talk about redeeming codes and understanding rewards. They do not ask for your credit card upfront. They do not demand an immediate payment to unlock a secret level. On the surface, it feels safe. It feels like an informational hub. But we have to look at the mechanics of how these sites actually work. The moment you see those two magic words, free currency, your internal alarm should be screaming at full volume. It is a classic hook. These sites exist in a gray area where they are not necessarily trying to steal your identity in the first 5 seconds. Instead, they are harvesting something else entirely. They want your attention. They want your clicks. They want your time. This site even has the audacity to post warnings about other scam generators. It is a brilliant psychological move. By telling you that other sites are fakes, they build a false sense of trust. They position themselves as the honest alternative. You read their articles and you think they are on your side. In reality, they are a content farm. They are driving traffic to serve ads or boost their own search rankings. You will spend 20 minutes reading through their tips only to realize the free part is always just out of reach. There is no magic button that sends digital coins to your account. There is no secret backdoor into the game servers. If there were, the developers would have patched it in an hour. You have to understand the economy of these games. If someone could just generate currency for free, the entire value of the game would collapse overnight. The developers protect that revenue stream with everything they have. So when a blog tells you they have the secret, they are selling you a dream to keep you on the page. It is not a malicious virus that will melt your hard drive, but it is a waste of your most valuable resource. You should treat these places like a digital magazine. Read the guides if you find them helpful. Look at the tips for gameplay if they actually work. But never, under any circumstances, expect a payout. The internet is full of these middle ground platforms. They are not quite villains, but they certainly are not heroes. They are just businesses looking for eyes. They play on the hope that there is a shortcut to success. But in the world of online gaming, the only real shortcut is usually a scam or a ban waiting to happen. Stick to the official sources. Trust the verified developers. If a deal feels too good to be true, it is not just a cliche. It is a fundamental law of the digital age. You are the product when the service is free. Keep your data safe. Keep your expectations grounded. And most importantly, do not give away your login details to a site just because it has a nice font and a few helpful-looking articles. These sites often use search engine tricks to show up right when you are most desperate for a boost. They know which keywords you are typing late at night. They know you want that new skin or that rare item. By providing just enough real information like how to navigate a menu or what a new update contains, they mask the fact that their primary promise is hollow. It is a bait and switch of the highest order. You come for the currency and you stay for the ads. Even if they never ask for a password, they are profiting off your hope. It is a cycle of empty promises that keeps the site owners rich and the players frustrated. Be the gamer who knows better. Be the one who realizes that the only way to fill your digital wallet is through hard work or official channels. There are no shortcuts in a system designed to make money. Stay sharp and keep your eyes open for the tells. A clean layout is not a badge of honesty. It is just a coat of paint on a very old trap.